what's better than prints and colors for summers? That too, if it's like pastels and flowery prints. I swear to you guys, I haven't felt this cute in a while. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है इट्स अ समर आउटफिट इंस्पो काइंड ऑफ वीडियो. इट इज अ haul, but I thought of creating like looks instead of just showing the outfits, and I got some very cute outfits lately. In fact, I'm wearing some of those also. Everything is like pastel, flowery and all things nice. So basically summers are here. I know कई जगह monsoon भी हल्का हल्का आ गया होगा, but it is essentially summers, right? We are still wearing summer clothes. So I thought, why not make that fun and like lively and bright? So I got some very cute outfits from Amazon. And before I get into the video, let me tell you, Amazon पे काफी amazing से offers भी चल रहे हैं. So whatever offers are going on, I'll make sure I mention all the sale details in the description box. सारे links भी mention कर दूंगी, तो जरूर से check out कर लेना. So I'm so excited to show you guys all the looks. It's like complete looks, so not something जो आपको अलग अलग भी ले सकते हो आप, but something जो साथ में भी बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे. So without any further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with some of my favorite items from this haul. So सबसे पहले मैंने ये बहुत ही cute सा baby pink color का top लिया है. Now this is what the top looks like. I love these kind of colors. I wasn't a pink person, but I think I have become a pink person. I have so much pink in my wardrobe, and this looks so pretty, so girly, so Pinterest coded. So I really like this top. The material isn't cotton; it's a mixed material, but it is very lightweight. तो summers में आप बहुत easily पहन सकते हैं. It is a little transy though. Transy in the sense not that your undergarment would be visible, but if you're wearing like a bright color undergarment, that will show up. तो make sure करो कि आप एक nude undergarment पहन रहे हो उसके अंदर, or a white one would be preferable. And I love the little bow detailing on the sleeves also. It's like a puffy sleeve situation, and then they have this ruched kind of thing on the waist, which actually clenches your waist really well. So I really like this top. It's so cute. I absolutely fell in love with this one. But मैंने सोचा मैं ये top अकेले क्यों लूँ, इसके साथ कुछ pair up करती हूँ अच्छा सा. So I also got a skirt, and this is what a skirt looks like. This is a floral printed skirt, and I love florals. It also had this very cute slit right over here. So I found this very cute, and I just thought कि अगर मैं इन दोनों को साथ में pair up करूंगी तो ये बहुत अच्छा लग सकता है, because इस पे काफी print है, right? पूरा flowery print है, and this is like a solid color. And prints and solid साथ में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So I thought of creating a look for these two items, and this is how it turned out. Honestly, I was so happy, and ये look इतना प्यारा लग रहा है साथ में. मुझे instantly प्यार हो गया था इस look से, because I mean, it's summery, it's cute, it is trusty, it's all thing aesthetic, and the colors itself are so beautiful. So I really love this outfit together, and I feel this is a very well put outfit together. If you're going on a vacation, it will look very nice for a good brunch kind of scene, a cute cozy cafe kind of scene. उसमें भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So yeah, that's the first look that I've created, and I absolutely love this one. Then for the next look, I actually got a white halter neck top. Now this is what the top looks like, basic white halter neck. This is from this brand Flight Bomb. इनके मुझे basics बहुत पसंद है Amazon पे, and ये transy बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, because it has this layering inside. तो ये double layering make sure करती है कि आपका bust area बिल्कुल भी transy ना हो. So you can just wear it very easily. You can pair it up with your jeans also. किसी भी चीज के साथ बहुत ही basic सा है. लेकिन आई थॉट क्योंकि टॉप इतना बेसिक है, बट इट्स लाइक अ समर एसेंशियल इन योर वार्डरोब, आई वांट टू पेयर इट विद समथिंग नाइस. सो आई गॉट द नाइसेस्ट स्कर्ट फॉर दिस. नाउ क्योंकि टॉप halter neck था, आई वांटेड टू हैव समथिंग लाइक maxi length. So I got this maxi skirt from Amazon. बहुत ही प्यारी सी in this green color. It also has a slit, बट द स्लिट इज नॉट लाइक टू लॉन्ग. कई बार होता है कि आपके थाइस के एकदम अपर तक होता है ना, आप हर जगह नहीं पहन सकते हो, बट इसका नी के बिलो है स्लिट, तो काफी क्यूट भी लगता है. एंड इट हैज व्हाइट फ्लावर्स ऑल ओवर द स्कर्ट. सो आई जस्ट थॉट लाइक अ व्हाइट बेसिक टैंक टॉप विद अ स्कर्ट लाइक दिस, जिसपे पूरे पे व्हाइट फ्लावर्स हैं, बहुत क्यूट लगेगा साथ में पेयर अप होके. So this is what I got, and this is how it looks together. Such a well put together look. मतलब ये तो मैं रोज पहन सकती हूँ, वैसा वाला लुक है. एंड अगर आपको halter neck लग रहा है कि यार कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, आप ऊपर से जैकेट डाल सकते हो अगर थोड़ा बारिश हो रही है, मौसम चेंज हो रहा है, या फिर अगर आपके कॉलेज में कोई ड्रेस कोड नहीं है. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम दिल्ली are very fashionable and they don't have a dress code. Like unlike Mumbai colleges में बहुत dress code होता है. But if you don't have a dress code, you can definitely wear this for your college also. Or again, a nice brunch kind of scene if you're going out with your girls. Very daytime outfit. So I really like this. Again, very vacation friendly also. So if you're going on a vacation, guys, ये जरूर से ऐड कर लेना. बहुत ही comfortable रहोगे और बहुत ही cute भी दिखता है. So yeah, that's the next outfit that I got. Coming to the third outfit, I'm actually wearing it right now. It's this very beautiful butter yellow color top. ये टॉप बहुत प्यारा है. मैं इसीलिए पहन के बैठी हुई पूरे हॉल में. और पीछे ना इसमें एक नॉट डिटेलिंग है. आई थिंक जब मैं आपको फुल लुक दिखाऊंगी तो आपको समझ में आएगा. नाउ बिकॉज द टॉप इज वेरी पेस्टली एंड नाइस, आई वांटेड टू हैव अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट अगेन. बट क्योंकि मैंने एक प्रिंटेड लॉन्ग स्कर्ट ले ली थी, आई डिसाइडेड टू हैव लाइक अ वाइट लॉन्ग स्कर्ट जो मैंने अगेन पहनी है इसके साथ. द only problem that I have a little bit with the skirt is that the skirt is a little bit transy. So it's not the most see through. It's not the best material when it comes to like whites, but if you're wearing like a nude shorty kind of thing, आप इसे पहन सकते हो बाहर. And it was very affordable, so I thought चल जाएगा. So this is how this whole outfit looks together. Again, all things bright, nice, summery, very vacation appropriate again, very summer appropriate again, and I love this top. So this is the next top and the skirt outfit that I put it together, and I really like this one. आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ आपको तीनों स्कर्ट टॉप लुक्स में से कौन सा अच्छा लगा. आई हैव मोर आउटफिट्स कमिंग अप, बट स्कर्ट टॉप्स में आई क्रिएटेड दीज 3 looks and I love all of them. Now moving ahead to our next outfit. So जो मैंने अगला outfit लिया, I thought मैंने skirt top काफी ले लिया. I should also include some dresses because summers and dresses like go together and उसके बिना summers incomplete हैं. So I got a very cute dress and the dress looks something like this. I love this print. मेरे पास ऐसे ही print में एक top भी है and it is also very cute. So I knew the moment I saw it that I want to have it, and it's a sleeveless dress, but इसके जो straps है ना, they are not like spaghetti वाला straps. It's not like singlet straps. So I can wear like a normal bra along with it, and it has this nice flare. It also has this belt kind of situation on the waist, which actually looks very nice on your waist when you wear it, and it's giving very Italian vacation to me. I really wish मेरे पास ये सारे कपड़े मैं किसी vacation पे जा रही होती, but I'm not going on a vacation right now. I will be going in November for a beach vacation, and मैं अभी से उसके literally कपड़े save कर रही हूँ because they are so good. So this is the next dress that I got. इसका material जो है, it's a mixed material, but I really like the cloth because बहुत breathable है. And I think nowadays ज़्यादातर जो कपड़े होते हैं cotton बहुत कम होते हैं, and all of these western clothes that we have are mostly like a mixed material. But even if they are mixed material, I feel they should be breathable, and this is very very breathable. So this is the next dress that I have. I genuinely like it a lot, and very फिट एंड फ्लेयर वाला सीन है. मैं इसको आराम से पहन के दिन भर घूम सकती हूँ, चिल कर सकती हूँ. इफ आई एम टेकिंग लाइक अ नाइस वॉक आल्सो ऑन अ वेकेशन, आई कैन वेयर दिस. एंड ये एवरी डे में भी पहन सकते हो. अगर आप कहीं पे मॉल जा रहे हो, किसी के घर जाना है, छोटा मोटा हाउस पार्टी टाइप है कुछ डे टाइम पे, आप कहीं पे भी पहन सकते हो. ये दिस इज सच अ क्लासी येट एवरीडे फंक्शनल आउटफिट. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस ड्रेस. सो या दैट्स द नेक्स्ट आइटम आई गॉट. कमिंग टू द लास्ट आइटम ऑफ दिस haul, so I got another dress which is very very cute, very summery, because this is a yellow color dress and इसके जो straps हैं इसको आपको खुद बांधना होगा. It is like a sundress. I really like these kind of dresses. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरी body type पे ऐसे dresses बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And very basic, very lightweight again. I love the print. पूरा flowery print है. मैंने शुरू में बोला था बहुत florals and pastels वैसा पूरा vibe है. इसमें बहुत colors थे, but I wanted this sunshine color, yellow. I really like this one, so I got this one, and this is how it looks on wearing. I really like how it fits me also. Cute dress, I can wear it anytime, and definitely one of those outfits that I really look forward to wearing. So yeah, that's the last item that I got. So yeah guys, these were all the outfits that I got lately from Amazon, and I feel these are like summer wardrobe must haves if you're going on a vacation, if you're just a chill girl who likes wearing like nice Pinteresty outfits. These are summer Pinteresty outfits that I wanted to show you guys. Do comment down below and tell me आपका favorite कौन सा है. If I have to pick my favorite, I think the first two skirt top sets, the pink and the green one, are like so cute. I really love them. वैसे तो सभी कुछ बहुत cute है, but आप मुझे बताना आपको क्या अच्छा लगा. And जो भी details हैं सेल की मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी. सारे कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी मैं आइटम के लिंक्स, तो मेक श्योर करना आप उसे जरूर से चेक कर लो. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.